How's it going? It's Mr. Reshoevn8r here. It's been a while since I've been on the channel. I'm here to clean a pair of salts that got pretty thrashed. Luckily for some employees, they get to wear shoes and beat them up, and they get a brand new pair of shoes to wear for 3 weeks or a month or however long it takes them to get them dirty. So that's basically what we're gonna be cleaning today. 2019 is gonna be a great year, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing a bunch of giveaways this year. It's gonna be awesome. So without further ado, let's get going. First thing we're gonna do today is put the shoe trees in. They adjust from size about 6 to 13. Not exactly sure what size these are, but that's perfect. So when you're inserting the shoe tree, you wanna make sure that it really supports this toe box. That's the purpose in putting these in. So when you're cleaning, you can apply pressure to it, and it allows you to do a much better clean on the shoe. Let's clean this one. We'll go ahead and set this one down. Next step in this process, let's take out the laces. It's been a while. I haven't forgot how to clean a pair of shoes though. I've cleaned quite a few in my lifetime, but bear with me. We're gonna start with this soft bristle brush here. Dip it in the solution. If you have a pair of salts, comment in the comment section below. Let us know how you like them, if you've cleaned them yet. Again, I like to let the brush do the work. I always start with the soft brush, go over the entire shoe, loosen the dirt, basically just do a nice quick clean, and then I'll come back with the other brushes afterwards. I didn't say it already before, we are using our 4-ounce 3-brush set for this cleaning. We're not going to use the laundry system, I don't think. We'll see how they clean up. If we need to use a laundry system, I'll just go ahead and get a laundry bag from the back, and we'll go ahead and use that process. Now that I've finished with the soft bristle brush, we're going to go ahead and move on to the medium bristle here. The bristles are a little more stiff, so it allows you to get a better cleaning. You do want to be careful, however, using this medium bristle brush. This is one of our older ones, and on delicate materials such as this net, some of the suede, you just want to use a light hand. You don't want to apply too much pressure when using this. The different brushes are really what helps our system make this cleaning process so much more effective. When you have the ability to use 3 different brushes with different stiff bristles, it just adds a whole nother level of cleaning capability. So this is why we offer 3 different brushes with our kit. All right, now what we're gonna do is hit the midsoles with the medium bristle brush. I like to clean the uppers first. That way you're not transferring the more dirty midsole or sole up to the uppers. Now that I've gone over the uppers, we're gonna go ahead and hit that midsole. Let's go. Okay, now that I've kind of went over the midsoles and soles with the medium bristle brush, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the stiff bristle. This should allow me to really get into those crevices and get this dirt and stain out of here. All right, it's looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this rag here, and there's some marks right in here that this brush isn't working on. So let's see if I can get them out. Let's see what this looks like. Still wet. Looks a lot better. I do see this is still pretty dark, so I'm gonna hit that again. Overall, it looks a lot better. Let's go ahead and take the soft bristle brush, touch some of this up. Okay. I think what I need to do now is let these dry, or let this shoe dry so I can compare it. It's hard to tell when it's wet because the material gets darker. So what I'm gonna do is put these in front of a fan, let them dry, and then I'll come back to you, show you the results. And if they're not exactly quite as clean as I want them, we'll find a laundry bag, we'll throw them in the washing machine, and we'll finish the job. How's it going, YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r back. We let these dry overnight. They look awesome. We used the 4-ounce 3-brush set to clean these. They cleaned up relatively easy. The soles are a little challenging to clean, but thankfully we have this stiff bristle brush that helps assist with that process. I went ahead and cleaned this morning since I forgot last night. I'm gonna lace that up. I did already too dry brush the suede slightly, so to raise the nap, reset the nap on these things. So they're looking really good. Need to clean this other one so I can rock them again. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm gonna wrap this video up. It is 2019. We're super excited, gonna hit 1 million subscribers. Don't forget to enter the giveaways. Lots of cool stuff going on this year, 2019, and that's gonna be it. I'm out.